Hi Shopee sellers! Nick here, your Shopee seller coach. So last time napag-usapan natin ang bagong penalty appeals process. Kung hindi nyo pa ito napapanood, you can check it out below. Here are 4 tips kung paano masiguradong ma-approve ang mga appeals ninyo. Tip number 1, file appeals within 14 days and submit additional requirements within 7 days. Meron lamang kayong 14 days mula nung ma-apply ang penalty points sa inyong shop para makapag-file ng appeal. Now, kapag hininga naman kayo ni Shopee ng karagdagang requirements, you only have 7 days to submit it. Otherwise, automatically ma-reject ng system ang inyong mga appeal. Tip number 2, write a clear appeal description. So para masiguradong kumpleto ang explanation sa appeal description nyo, make sure na masasagot ang mga questions na to. Who, when, where, what, why, at how. For example, nag-book ako ng pickup sa Shopee Express, scheduled for October 1, 2022 ng 3 p.m. Mula sa aming warehouse, pero hindi na pick up ng courier ang order dahil sa kakulangan sa vehicle capacity. Na-pick up lamang ito ulit ng courier noong October 2 na lagpas na sa aking ship by date, kaya nagresulta siya ng late shipment. Tip number 3, upload complete supporting documents. So, depende sa type of violation and appeal reason, make sure na you can provide correct and complete proof of your supporting documents. Now, you can check out the recommended supporting documents per violation type and appeal reason sa aming Seller Education Hub article on penalty appeals. Lastly, tip number 4. So, submit images that are clear and not blurry. Siguraduhin na malinaw ang mga photos na isasubmit ninyo at hindi ito blurry para madali ito ma-review ni Shopee. Now, make sure din na you submit photos bago ito ma-pack at ma-ship at kita ng malinaw ang airway bill. And that's it! Dali lang, di ba? To learn more about the new penalty appeals process, bisitahin or go to our Seller Education Hub. Maraming salamat, Shopee sellers!